In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter trades on NinjaTrader. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you a few of the most common ones. So the first one is going to be using your chart trader, which is likely the most popular way as well. So just open up like a chart and then go to the top of it, click on chart trader and click on chart trader again, and then in here you can enter your trades. You can of course go and select your account, make sure you're actually connected to an account you want to use, select the order quantity, the ATM strategy if you wanna, as well as TIF, and of course the correct instrument, and then just use these buy and sell buttons over here and the confirmation window by clicking yes to actually go ahead and enter trades on NinjaTrader, okay? That's kind of the first way you could do this. But then of course there's multiple other ways as well. So if I go and do like an order entry, I can go to a new top left, and then click on basic entry or order ticket. If I go basic entry, here you can see I have like a bit more of an advanced interface. I can always go to type, I can do limit, market, whatever, then I can select the limit if I do, and then stop as well, the instrument you want to trade, as well as TIF, and then the quantity, and the account, ATM strategy, and then you can select what you want to buy or sell over here up at the very top. So that's the second way. The third one is going to be to go to new, and then click on over here, order ticket, and then here inside the order ticket, you can of course go and select the order as well, the account, quantity, type, etc., buy or sell, and you're good to go as well. But then you have the fourth method, which is going to be using things like Super DOM over here, where you can always do this as well, or maybe like this one as well, which is the static version, okay? So that's essentially how to go and enter trades, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.